Can you find the axis of symmetry of this function? First and foremost, let's dive into understanding the materials. As you can see, A, B, and C represent the coefficients of the quadratic equation. Quadratic equations are associated with parabolic graphs that can either open upwards or downwards depending on the value of A. If A is greater than 0, the graph faces upwards, resulting in a minimum value. On the other hand, if A is less than 0, it produces a graph with a maximum value. However, it's worth noting that whether the graph faces upwards or downwards, the symmetry axis remains the same, equal to negative b over 2 times a. As you're aware, all graphs are defined by their x and y values. To determine the maximum or minimum of the function, we simply substitute x0 with x in the original function. It's quite straightforward, isn't it? Alright, let's tackle the question. As you can observe, A is m, B is negative 12, and C is 5m minus 1. The equation possesses a minimum value of 2. Therefore, it's crucial to note that A must be positive, otherwise it won't attain a minimum value based on the materials we've covered together. First, we find that x0 equals negative b over 2a, so x0 is 6am. To determine the minimum value, we need to substitute x0 into the function. After the substitution, we proceed to simplify the equation. Ultimately, we arrive at the expression f6m equals negative 36 plus 5m2 minus m over m. As specified in the question, the minimum value is 2. To determine m, we need to solve this equation. Upon simplification, we encounter a quadratic equation. We assume you are familiar with solving quadratic equations, but if you're not, don't worry. We've created a video dedicated to this very topic. If you're unsure about solving these types of equations, it's advisable to watch that video for guidance. The possible answers for m are 3 and negative 2.4. As we mentioned earlier, m should be positive for the equation to have a minimum value. Therefore, we accept 3 as the value for m. Now, simply substitute m into the formula. That's it. The equation x equals 2 represents the symmetry axis. Well done, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's question.